Hey guys, I'm so excited to share one of my favorite summer dishes with you today. We're making yellowfin tuna with spicy mango salsa, and oh my gosh, it's so good! This recipe is perfect for those hot days when you want something light but packed with flavor. You know what's great about this dish? It's super easy to make, but it looks and tastes like something from a fancy restaurant. So let's get cooking. I promise you're going to love this combination of rich tuna and fresh, spicy sweet mango salsa. It's like a party in your mouth. Are you ready to impress your friends and family with this amazing dish? Let's dive right in and start with our ingredients. For the tuna, we'll need yellowfin tuna fillets, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, mixed peppercorns, sea salt, black pepper, olive oil, and lemon wedges. Okay guys, let's start with our amazing spicy mango salsa. Trust me, this stuff is so good you might want to make extra. First things first, grab those juicy mangoes. We're going to peel them and cut them into small 1/4-inch cubes. Now, let's move on to the red onion. We want to dice it nice and small so it doesn't overpower the other flavors. Next up is the jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds unless you want it super spicy. Mince it up real fine. Now, here's a pro tip. Use a microplane to grate the ginger. It'll give you a nice fine texture that blends perfectly into the salsa. All right, time to bring it all together. In a big bowl, toss in your mangoes, onion, jalapeno, and ginger. Now for the kick, add that sriracha. If you're not a fan of heat, you can always start with less and add more later. Squeeze in the lemon juice. This adds a nice tang and helps keep the mangoes from browning. Give everything a good mix. Now taste it and add salt and pepper until it's just right. How amazing does this look? Now that our salsa is ready, let's move on to the star of the show, the yellowfin tuna. We're going to create an amazing spice rub that'll take this dish to the next level. Grab your mortar and pestle. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can use a spice grinder or even the back of a heavy pan. We're going to crush together fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and mixed peppercorns. This combination is going to give our tuna a fantastic flavor and a bit of crunch. Add in some sea salt and black pepper too. Now, here's where you get a little workout. Crush everything together until it's nice and fine. Smell that? It's like a spice market in your kitchen. Once you've got your spice mix ready, spread it out on a plate. This is where the magic happens. Take your beautiful tuna fillets and press them into the spice mix, making sure to coat both sides evenly. Don't be shy with the spices. We want every bite to be full of flavor. All right, guys, we're in the home stretch now. It's time to cook our beautifully spiced tuna. Heat up a non-stick skillet over high heat. We want it nice and hot to get that perfect sear. While the pan is heating, let's prep our tuna. Drizzle a little olive oil over the fillets. This will help them get that gorgeous golden crust. Once your pan is smoking hot, carefully place the tuna fillets in. Listen to that sizzle. We're only going to cook these for about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. We want the outside golden and crispy, but the inside still pink and tender. It cooks fast, so keep an eye on it. Flip them over and cook the other side. Oh my gosh, look at that crust, it's perfect. Okay, now for the moment of truth, let's plate this beauty up. Spread some of our colorful mango salsa in the center of the plate. Doesn't it look like a little tropical island? Now place the seared tuna right on top. For the finishing touch, drizzle a bit more olive oil over the tuna and give it a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Wow guys, we did it! We've created this amazing yellowfin tuna with spicy mango salsa. And let me tell you, it tastes even better than it looks. The tuna is perfectly seared with that crispy, spicy crust. And the mango salsa adds this burst of fresh, sweet heat that complements it so well. It's like a vacation for your taste buds. This dish is perfect for a summer dinner party or just a special meal for yourself. And the best part? It's so easy to make but looks super impressive. Your friends will think you've become a master chef overnight. Remember, you can always adjust the spiciness to your liking and feel free to experiment with different fruits in the salsa. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious, easy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your meal.